Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Sakuna here. This is the way to my mom house, and now we go in now. It's about a mile from the main road. We drive in like this. It's always being sunny and quite nice and bright. Even in the winter, I love it here. It's so quiet and peaceful. I hope you guys are doing well. Thanks very much for joining me. I really appreciate it. It's my second day here, everyone. So today I have to do a little bit some work. Morning, evening, afternoon, everybody. I got a job today. So mom asked me to help all the weed, pull them all up, put them in there, and then burn them. So we go get her stuff out. Let's bring out. So this job for today. So you have to pull them out like this, like that, and I put them in there. มีงานทำด้วยค่ะงานเก่าแม่ให้ช่วยรกถอนหญ้า so pull the weed today. People put it there because so many people put it in there now. Alright, mom, you can do it. So, alright then, I'll see you mate. So you both doing this. See you in a minute. Hi, help mom water her plant. Need help. That's really nice, mom. This one, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
How long have you not been water?
Been a week.
In a week.
Mm-hmm.
And what do you do with this, mom?
Pour on each one.
Pour on each one.
Yeah. Let water run down. That's fine. Just pour on each one.
Oh, on here.
Yeah.
Okay.
Pour in the pot.
Put the pot.
Yeah. There you
The
go.
water will run down.
Each one. Just keep going. Don't worry about how much because it run out. Pour a whole bunch of them.
Mm-hmm.
Big one.
The tomatoes died.
That's okay. Just water. Not plant nothing. Just plant to happen. It's so pretty. Wildflower.
Oh no, don't cut them. They're very nice.
Uh-huh.
Tree benefit from the water from here.
Yeah, kind of soak them.
Guys, need to be soaked. This wow.
That's
What is that?
vegetable. Charm.
Oh, beautiful.
Pad Thai.
Pad Thai. Oh,
ดอกมันเนี่ย
มันแก่แล้วดอกกระเทียม
yeah. Kind of leave them alone. Yeah, that's good right there.
Turn off the water. I could show you to the back as it grows zucchini. Turn water off. I could show you the back. Since raining coming, it is cloudy. Has one carrot. There's carrot workshop there. That's where she parked her 2 cars. Going to cook tonight, barbecue there. I'm going to come show you here. Yeah, it's all need help. All need. This one here dying too. They all dying. She said to me that there is good zucchini here. They grow naturally. Look, got one there. They never water them anything like that. Yeah, it's got a hose somewhere. That's a hose. That's the outside. See, that's look like peach. This is what it's like. It's outside, my friend. It's very dry, you know. Oh my god, look at those ants. Wow. I gotta come back. I gotta come back and start from there and do a inside as well. Thanks so much for watching. ขอบคุณมากค่ะที่เข้ามาดู ไม่รู้จะเบื่อหรือเปล่า I hope you're not bored. That it's everyday life here. That my mom not that well, so I try to give her a hand and helping her around the house. I'm going to show you around the house later on. Okay, thanks very much. I hope you guys doing well. That's 2 car left here. Take this one for a dry around the outside. Put this one here for a dry later. I hope tomato be a bit happy now, isn't it? Be a bit happy. And that too.
Gotta put about half cup of salt. Clean up for that.
Half cup of salt. Where's the salt? Where you salt? Salt. Half cup. You got a measure? I had a measure. It's a half cup there, yeah? Half cup of salt. I like it salty. I know it's bad for you. Here, I put it in.
Gotta put all of it.
Okay, Mom, that's put it in.
Gotta add water, a little bit water, make it wet. So salt on vegetables.
Put a bit of water in. To mix this quickly. Kimchi, so mix quickly and then put leave it outside over there. Okay, Mom, what you want to do with that? Done? Mix them.
Oh, when you don't make too hard, right? Just go like that.
Yeah.
So salt go in. Okay. Then leave on the floor.
Leave
all
on the
night.
floor.
Tomorrow we do it tomorrow.
You do it again tomorrow.
Then clean up. Right now you just soak in the water. Yeah, we just soak.
Okay. You say soak in the water. You do again tomorrow. Oh, what is that thing? Oh, what is that?
Oh, honey toad, let him go.
Oh, okay.
No. He don't like. Let him go no more. Man can
Where let it
eat
go?
ant. Put him down on the ground.
Would he?
Anyway, he eat ant.
Oh, he eat ant.
Moth.
Okay. There you go there.
Yeah, whole bunch of them here.
All right.